Hello world! Today we will transpose a matrix. We are provided here 3 by 3 matrix and we are asked to transpose it. Let's first initialize a 2D list with dimensions n rows and m columns. First we need the number of columns in the input matrix array, then we iterate over a range of values. In other words, we perform operations on each row of the matrix. In short, we create a new list of zeros. And the length of this new list is determined by the number of columns in the first row of the matrix array. This is a list comprehension that creates a list of lists. Each inner list represents a row in the matrix. As we see in the result, we created 3 by 4 matrix filled with zeros. This matrix is then used to store the transposed values during the subsequent iteration in the for loop. We can assign it into a variable res. In the next step, we need nested loops in order to iterate through each element of the original matrix. In outer loop, we iterate over the number of rows in the input matrix array. In the inner loop, we iterate over the number of columns in the input matrix array. Then we perform the swapping operation. This retrieves the element at the j's column and the i's row of the original matrix array. We do this swapping the row and columns indices. Then we assign the value of the element at array ji to the i's row and the j's column of the new matrix res. In short, for each element at row I and column j in the original matrix array, the values is assigned to the transposed matrix at row I and column j in the list comprehension, which is res. Finally, we created a new matrix res with its dimensions swapped and filled in the transposed values by iterating through the rows and columns of the original matrix. And this new created matrix res is the expected matrix, as you see. We solved the problem. Congratulations.